Apply approximately 0.65 grams of thermal grease to the center of the top of the processor. Align the triangular mark on the processor retainer with the triangular mark on the processor. Gently place the processor retainer on the processor and then press the four sides of the processor retainer down to secure the processor. And then attach the processor to the underside of the water loop cold plate. Turn over the top side of the water loop. Insert the quick connect into the tray opening. Gently put the other side of the water loop down and ensure it is seated firmly on the system board. Move the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the locked position. Fully tighten all the Torx T30 captive screws on the cold plates following the installation sequence shown on the cold plate labels. Loosen the water loop carrier screws. Lift the water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Reinstall the water loop screws. Fasten the 4 Torx T10 screws per node to secure the quick connect. Fasten the 2 Phillips No. 1 screws per node on the rear of the node. Slide the VR clamp plate into the node and fasten the 2 Torx T10 screws per node. Install the front and rear cross braces. Install the DIMMs. Install the DIMM combs. Install the M.2 backplanes. If applicable, install the drive cage assembly. If applicable, install the PCIe riser assemblies. Install the tray cover.